when you know you can do this and help your patient that is a true cripple in both arches, I mean, what else could they do? And folks like this get turned down multiple places. You can imagine. The record for me is, I think, 8. One person went to 8 different offices and said, no. And hey, when you can do these procedures, the extreme in particular, they make you feel really good, because now you've just taken a patient who has been wearing dentures for so long and honestly is not the happiest camper. The self-image has changed, as we know, radically with a number of our patients. So we're able to very nicely, very predictably, and successfully do these types of cases. And the end result is, of course, a win-win for everybody. But now, that said, this plays on a lot of years of experience for me. I mean, honestly, I tiptoed through the whole learning process. I did, and I'm a surgeon. And I've taken, I told you, 8, 9 of these courses over time, different countries all over the world, et cetera, et cetera. But I guess what I'm saying is, do everything in its time. Don't push it. Remember that line I talk about. This is our comfort zone. That's the dark side. Don't cross it. Don't let any patient sway you. Don't get overconfident at all. Stay humble always, and appreciate, where you're at and what you can do. Because at the end of the day, if you exceed that limitation, it's a problem for your patient, certainly, for yourself, and from a medical legal standpoint, that's a whole other ballgame. We have hungry attorneys out there everywhere, and they're just waiting for things to happen. So all I'm saying is, there's a time and a place for everything, of course, and the learning curve, these quads, I told you from the beginning, I'll say it probably 5 more times before we part on Saturday, and that is, this is so different than singles, so different, the quad itself, okay? And complications, you'll see tomorrow what I'm talking about in terms of the problems that we have to deal with. Not a lot of fun. And that's when everything goes, even when everything goes well, you're still going to have some issues. So, end of the day, it's important that we respect what we can do, our limitations, but we can also continue to learn. And as we learn more skill sets, well, then we can advance accordingly. That's really all I'm saying.